Hello everyone. Most undervalued stock in the current market setup. Check. Most undervalued below intrinsic value company. Intrinsic value not just in rupee terms but in the true value terms. Check. Smallest price point in the whole FMCG basket. Check. A company which has not yet performed so far, has given a lot of dividends in the last 15 years and has helped all its shareholders make money, and those who have held on to the shares are making money still just by dividends. Check. The joker of the market, as some YouTubers like to call it. Check. A company that starts selling cigarettes has more than 50% market share and 50% revenue, more than 50% revenue coming from cigarettes. Check. I think this is the point where you realize that I'm talking about none other than Imperial Tobacco Company turned into Indian Tobacco Company. Some people, I don't know why, call it the joker of the market. It's called ITC. There are memes about it, there are jokes about it, but make no mistake, if you laugh on a stock, the stock does not know you're laughing on it, but the stock might have the last laugh. It's a matter of time. And why I say that, the current market setup में it is not wrong to say Bajaj Finserv का जो आज प्राइस है 11,000, I wouldn't be surprised by any stretch of the imagination if I see this price point or the returns from the current price point matching to Bajaj Finserv's returns from ITC in the next 10 to 15 years, at least 15 years. अगले 15 साल में अगर आपने 50 गुना या कम से कम 50-60 टाइम्स मिनिमम, बेस्ट केस में 100 टाइम्स जा सकता है रिटर्न, लेकिन अगर आपने 50 टाइम्स रिटर्न्स नहीं कमाए फ्रॉम ITC, आई वुड बी रियली सरप्राइज्ड अगर कोई नहीं कमा पाया. आई वुडंट बी सरप्राइज्ड अगर ITC वहाँ तक पहुँच जाए. And I know that a lot of you might be questioning why. So let me tell you my own side towards ITC. I was not very bullish about it till many years because the stock was stuck in a limbo, and it was stuck in a limbo since 2013-14 से लेके 17-18 तक. It's been stuck, but it's been paying out continuous dividends. It has been having bonus shares issued and stock splits and बहुत कुछ हुआ है 15 साल में. If you look at the history of the company, the price is not telling you the true story. The price is just giving you that MRP. It's not telling you the true story of the company. If you look at the products and services, हर सेक्टर में इनके पास FMCG में मार्केट लीडरशिप प्रोडक्ट्स अवेलेबल है. एवरी सेक्टर, यू नेम द सेक्टर and they have done it. The kind of network that Hindustan Unilever took 80 years to establish in the rural areas, Britannia, Dabur, Lever, Nestle, they took 70, 80, 90 years to establish this network in the rural India. ITC has done it in the last 20 years, literally 2001 to 2021. उनका e-Chopal model जो है, which enables a lot of these farmers and the marginalized section of our society, वो तो एक अलग, उसकी पूरी एक अलग कहानी है. That's a separate case study altogether. Bottom line is, डिटेल एनालिसिस अगर हम ना भी करें, और मैं आपको सिर्फ इतना बताऊं मोटा मोटा जिसको बोलते हैं कि 200 रुपये का शेयर है, डोंट ब्लॉक लमसम मनी इन दिस शेयर. आई डोंट थिंक दैट्स द वे टू प्ले दिस. Make it a part of your regular monthly SIP portfolio and keep adding on every month a certain part of your portfolio. If you keep adding on, that's the best way to play this kind of company, because we are talking about 50 times return in the next 15 years, 50 गुना. तो I wouldn't be surprised अगर इसका भाव 11,000 हो, या बोनस स्प्लिट एडजस्टेड भाव में 11,000 जितने आपको रिटर्न्स मिले 15 साल के बाद by 2036. Because now I'll come to the more detailed reasoning. देखिए, FMCG basket में you have HUL. HUL भी for the last major part of its movement, HUL did not move actually. It moved, लेकिन जब चलने लगा तो आपने देखा वो किस तरह चला. Same is for Bajaj Finance. Bajaj Finance did not move for the first many years, I think a decade almost. लेकिन जब 2010 के बाद उसका एक मैनेजमेंट में ब्रेकआउट आता है, एक तो हम लोग स्टॉक में ब्रेकआउट देखते हैं एंड द अदर इज़ अ मैनेजमेंट ब्रेकआउट. When your company's management changes, that is a major change. So whether it's HUL, whether it's Bajaj Finance, whether it's Reliance भी आप देखो तो for the better part of 2006 to 2016 it was just in the same range, and we know after that जब वो चलता है तो क्या होता है और कैसे चल रहा है अभी भी. The party is still going on. So what I'm trying to say, with large cap companies, with companies so diversified company like ITC, 200 rupees is a very 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 undervalued price. But I repeat again, don't block your lump sum. This is not a trading stock. You'll be disappointed if you want to trade. It's a stock where on Akshaya Tritiya, if you don't want to buy gold, you could have bought ITC shares. It's a stock where it's auspicious. You need to add it to your portfolio. जिस तरह ये तूफान आप देख रहे हैं, साइक्लोन, टकटी, whatever the name is, इसी तरह पैसों की बारिश हो सकती है if the shareholder holds on to the share. That holding part is the toughest part, which we have been telling everyone and discussing also. सबको ट्रेडिंग करना है यहाँ पे. शेयर होल्डर सिर्फ 2 या 3% जो बन जाते हैं, वो फिर आपको कभी आके nobody is gonna come and say कि मैंने करोड़ों कमाए, but they are making millions, people who buy and hold. So if you are looking at undervalued stocks, if you are looking at a true market leader winner in the next 15 years, it's ITC. There are others, but in the FMCG space जिसका re-rating हुआ है, जब से उसका मैनेजमेंट का फोकस वापस आया है, मिस्टर संजीव पुरी, the focus has come back on how do we increase the momentum of the company towards FMCG and not towards cigarettes. It's increasing its exposure into होटल सेक्टर एंड अदर सेक्टर्स, एंड बैलेंस शीट इंप्रूव हो रही है कंपनी की. बहुत सारे फैक्टर्स उनके फेवर में चल रहे हैं. दैट्स वाई वी आर वेरी बुलिश ऑन दिस. एंड अंडर वैल्यूएशन में बहुत कम कंपनीज ऐसे भाव पे मिलती है. सो ग्रैब इट, कीप एडिंग इट रेगुलरली. इसको वन टाइम प्ले नहीं करना है आपने, रेगुलर एडिशन करना है. बहुत तगड़ा तूफान है, बट वील वेट फॉर द डस्ट टू सेटल एंड वील वेट फॉर ITC. Take care and keep profiting, guys.